MotorWeek is made possible by TireRack.com, RockAuto.com, and State Farm.
Our 2019 Honda Insight is also proving to be an inexpensive way to travel. The 10.5-gallon gas tank empties quickly, but the electric motor is always on tap to extend the pool. Even on relatively flat roads, the regenerative braking keeps the battery well charged. The Insight slips into the Honda lineup between the Civic and Accord, but the interior materials of our touring trim suggests a higher place in the pecking order. Only the rear passengers make sacrifices. No rear console vents or USB ports. Our miles now total 10,000 with hybrid efficiency of 47.3 miles per gallon, a split hair's distance from the EPA's combined rating of 48. There's another new car in the MotorWeek lot, this 2019 Nissan Altima. We just put it through a full road test. Now, let's see how it holds up in the real world.